This is our Deepam designer organza silk sarees. Today we are going to show you. This is one of our very unique saree in pure organza, where it comes in sea green color. It has beautiful two contrast of thread work, and there is a border has been done beautifully glossy thread with a nice passy work, and that's the pallu, where it just continues the same as in the front, and it has nice colorful tassel to go with this. And the blouse comes in pure silk organza with a nice passy embroidery border. This saree is very light to carry and it will be very easy to maintain also. Now I'm going to show you the second saree. This is the second saree of the day, where it comes in teal grey. It is a pure organza silk on a teal grey body color. It has beautiful pastel resham thread work and nice oxidized silver border either side, and there is a pallu where it has beautiful multicolored thread weaving. This saree comes along with a nice designer blouse which has completely multicolored thread weaving with a nice solid oxidized silver border. These kind of colors are very rare to find. It is one of a very unique. And now I'm going to show you third saree. This is the third saree of the day. This saree is very soft and very light. When you feel the fabric, you will go love with the saree. This saree has got beautiful resham multicolored thread work either side border with a nice green piping, and that's the pallu. The body has got small antique sequins which has been stitched through by hand, and that's the blouse. It is a nice pure tussar silk blouse which has handmade sequins as well as piping border. This is a nice onion pink which gives you a very modern look. Now I'm going to saree of the day. This is a beautiful Z black saree with a nice silver zari. Inside the body there is a small zari buttas are there. In between the saree there is a nice multicolored floral and parrot digital prints are there, and that's the pallu, where it comes very rich silver on a black. The silver goes very well. This is the blouse. It is absolutely plain with a nice border, silver border. With this saree, you all can carry a nice oxidized silver to go with this. This is the fifth saree of the day. The body color comes in indigo blue with a beautiful resham contrast thread to go with this. Throughout the saree, it has a nice, beautiful checks thread work. Upper border comes in a ½ inch, which is done by hand. It is a handwork border. Towards the bottom of the side, it has a nice huge border. On a silk fabric, they have done a nice multicolor floral thread. It has been done very intricately. It has got attached to the fabric. This saree, when you make a pleats, the border will outstand. The lower border will outstand. is the sixth saree of the day. It is a lovely lemon green. It's a nice lemon green saree which has done. The body has got completely handwork. It has done by hand. The border has intricate, beautiful contrast border to go with this. And that's the pallu. Short pallu with a nice colorful tassels again. This is the blouse where it comes plain. You can still make some work on a blouse. This is the seventh saree of the day. It is a pure silk organza. It is a nice pastel tea blue color. The body has got beautiful multicolor Kashmiri work, and it has a very interesting border either side where it has nice gold, silver, copper. It has a tricolor different weave, and that's the pallu where it comes short with a beautiful thread embroidery with a nice colorful tassels. And this is the blouse where it comes in plain silk organza with a nice fancy border. This is our eighth saree of the day. It has beautiful baby pink, pure organza. On an organza, they have done a lovely Lucknowi work. It is in a self embroidery. It comes overall the saree, and that's the pallu with a nice self color tassels. This is the blouse where it comes plain. You all can still carry any dark contrast blouse to go with this. This is the ninth saree of the day. It is pure organza silk which has beautiful mustard gold with a digital floral print, and it has a nice Banarasi golden zari border either side. There is a pallu. It's just continue with a small lines. The blouse comes in self design with a golden zari border. This mustard color will give you a beautiful glow on your skin. 10th saree. It is a nice ash grey with a nice Banarasi border. Nice solid Banarasi border you get either side. And there is a lovely buttas, thread work, resham buttas are there. This is the pallu part. It has nice golden zari weave. The blouse comes in self color with a nice Banarasi golden zari border. These sarees are made from Banarasi. Deepam have our own designer in Banarasi who make for us. The 11th saree of the day. The body color comes in chiku, which has beautiful floral contrast thread work again, and it has a nice 1.5 inch woven border where it comes in contrast. That's a pallu, short pallu in a contrast, and this is a blouse, pure organza silk blouse with a nice vertical thread work line with a short border. This is a very subtle and unique color. This is the 12th saree of the day, pure silk organza. The body color comes in bright red, and it has beautiful Banarasi zari weave throughout the sari. In between they have given a beautiful silver touch, and it has a nice solid golden border either side with a nice rich pallu. The blouse is very elegant. It has simple blouse with a contrast border. You can still make some work on the blouse. This is one of our fabulous sari in organza. This is our 13th sari of the day. It is a beautiful silk organza fabric which comes in pista green color. On top you all can see it comes plain. As it comes down, it has beautiful multicolored thread weave, and it has beautiful golden zari border either side. One side you get a little shorter. The other side it has a nice huge border, and that's the pallu, where it has nice thread work done on the pallu with the self-colored tassels. It has a lovely blouse, simple and elegant, with a nice golden zari border. You can still carry beautiful pink or peach. These two colors will go very well with this color. This is one of our fabulous sari. This is our 14th sari of the day. Pure silk organza sari. The body color comes in sweet peach. It has beautiful thread embroidery. On a peach base, they have done a lovely dark pink and light green thread embroidery, and it has a nice Banarasi golden zari border either side. And there is a pallu which comes rich golden zari. The blouse comes very elegant, which has in self color with a nice Banarasi border. This is one of our unique sari. It gives you very graceful when you wear the sari. This is our 15th sari of the day. It is a pure organza silk where the fabric flows very well. When you all make up pleats, it flows very well. This sari doesn't fluff out. And the body color comes in turquoise blue with the nice golden checks. On the golden checks, it has done a beautiful thread contrast work, and it has beautiful Banarasi border both the side. And there is a pallu where it comes short pallu with a zari woven. The blouse comes in contrast with golden vertical line with a nice Banarasi border. These kind of multiple saris are available in both the branches. We have one in Jayanagar, the other one is in MG Road. Please visit us. Thank you.